In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. This method is perfect if you want to keep all your financial planning, budget tracking, and expense management in one centralized workspace. Whether you're managing personal finances, business budgets, or project expenses, ClickUp provides powerful templates and customization options to help you stay organized and in control of your money. This saves a huge amount of time and helps you make better financial decisions. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser by going to clickup.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main workspace dashboard with all your existing spaces and folders. On the left sidebar, locate the Spaces section. This is where all your main organizational categories live. Click on the plus icon next to Spaces to create a new space. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your new space. Type in Finances as the name. This will be your dedicated area for all financial planning and budget management. After naming your space, ClickUp will prompt you to choose a template or start from scratch. Since we want to organize finances efficiently, select the option to choose a finance template. ClickUp offers several pre-built finance templates, including budget trackers, expense managers, and financial planning dashboards. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best fits your needs. The template will automatically populate your finances space with relevant lists, tasks, custom fields, and views designed specifically for financial organization. Once the template is loaded, you'll see your new finances space fully set up with categories like income tracking, expense categories, budget goals, and financial reports. Now you can start organizing your finances by adding your actual budget items, updating expense categories, setting financial goals, and customizing the fields to match your specific needs. You can add tasks for bills, create recurring expenses, track income sources, and monitor your spending against your budget in real time. And that's it. You've successfully organized your finances and budgets in ClickUp with a professional template that keeps everything in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.